What'd you ever do to change the world?
You must speak. I can't. You must. It's our only hope. Hope.
This class is social studies. That is you and the world. Yes, there is a world out there, and even if you decide you don't want to meet it, it's still going to hit you right in the face. Believe me.
We are not blind, and we see the problems.
But I guess it's hard for some people who are so used to things the way they are, even if they're bad, to change. And they kind of give up.
I don't want to be one of those people he's talking about.
When they do, everybody kind of lose.
To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us is but the passing of greed, the bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress.
So, best you start thinking about the world now and what it means to you. What does the world mean to you?
In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich and can provide for everyone. The way of life can be free and beautiful.
I mean, the world's not exactly shit.
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that.
We have seen many people showing interest in wanting to help humanity head on the right track. Well, now is your chance. Here is what you can do.
This is your assignment. Extra credit, it goes on all year long.
Everyone can take action in their own way. A small group of fearless individuals can achieve far more than you would believe.
You are men! You have the love of humanity in your hearts.
All right, so we're not global thinkers yet, but why aren't we?
The kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure.
My God, boys and girls, he's absolutely right.
Let us fight for a world of reason, a world where science and progress will lead to all men's happiness.
Action must be taken.
Is like your big chance to fix something that's not like your bike. You can fix a person.
I should like to help everyone if possible.
Share this information in any way you can, anywhere you can. Spread the word to everybody. The power is with the people and always has been.
Let us use that power! Let us all unite! Let us fight for a new world! A decent world!
Is that what you want for your birthday? Everybody to pay it forward?
I can't ask for that.
You must. It's our only hope.
Expect us.
This is an emergency broadcast. Please stand by. This is an emergency broadcast. Please stand by.